in United Kingdom. The dates are 14th to 18th November. So this is how we are connecting a lot of industry leaders from all the G20 countries, because the G20 is mainly focusing India specific. So the G20 is organizing a lot of conferences in 200 cities in India, focusing on multiple sectors like maybe innovation, tourism, digital technology, education, healthcare, sustainability. All these things are happening. I was also part of a couple of the G20 summits in the last couple of months. So now the next crucial stage is we are going to have one of the biggest, the G20 summit, which is happening in Delhi, where all the G20 premiers, the presidents and prime ministers are coming to India first time. And the dates are already announced from September 9th to 11th. So to support this initiative of India journey, we thought we should do something from Global Economic Forum. That's how we are taking all the business leaders from India, connecting with the G20 countries and having a series of summits. So after London, we are going to have one more in Egypt, in Cairo. Then after that, we are going to have one more summit in Istanbul, in Turkey. Then the last summit of the Global Economic Forum G20 Initiative Summit, which is again largest, is going to be in India. So then after that, the last one is in USA. So the USA is 25th to 30th November, and today I had a fortune to launch this poster of invitation and invite Sadguru Sri Madhusudan Sai, as well as the Chancellor of the University, Sri Narasimhamurthy, very well-known educationist, for this summit, along with a couple of the industry leaders who are part of this summit. So it is always a pleasure to connect the business leaders with other countries where there are tremendous opportunities for the business people, mainly into the collaborations, mainly into the research, mainly into the funding and multiple ways. So this is how Global Economic Forum is supporting all the industries to come to a platform. So we thought the India Startup Festival is again one more platform to connect all these people and to interact and to make a friendship and to invite people, like-minded people, for these kind of summits.
So the presence, tell us something about the presence of Global Economic Forum within India. Where all do you have offices, or where do you operate from?
Yeah, so our main office, which is in Bangalore, then we have offices in Bombay, Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, then Calcutta. These are the offices right now we have. But we have a presence across, I can say, in 39 countries. We have like a president and secretariat, where the elected presidents, those are people who are belong to that particular country, and they are supporting this our initiative. So this is a continuous process. After G20, again, we will be having on multiple areas of interest, a series of meetings in different countries.
If companies or organizations, businesses want to be part of your organization,
yeah,
what are the criteria and what is the process?
Yeah, so we are from Global Economic Forum, what we are doing is we are giving a life membership. This is not a paid membership. This is given to the selected people depending on certain criteria. Like all other organizations, there are so many organizations, they collect money and they give a membership. So but here what we are doing is all the summits, whatever we do, in the summit, whoever come as a delegate, as a speaker, all these people will get a life membership. And we also send an invitation to become a life member, so where we give a life membership card to all these people to become a part of the Global Economic Forum.
As business houses, what is the benefits that they get by becoming part of the forum?
Yeah, so one is every year we publish the hard copy as well as soft copy of a directory, where all the the member details, the contact details like a mail ID and contact details will be there, so people can able to connect all these people. And also we will give a short brief on each member about their company, about their profile, where people can able to browse and collect the information. Apart from that, every month we are trying to get in a newsletter on mainly on business and economy, where people can read and get benefits, insights about the thing, and everyone will get kind of invitations on all our events. So that is how it happens.
So, as ISF 23, as India Startup Festival 2023
Yeah.
is focused on rural.
Yes.
How is your forum,
Yeah.
working towards contributing towards rural economy and rural entrepreneurship?
Yeah. So, in fact, to talk about rural economy, this is what today also in the discussion it is coming quite frequently. Even Sadguru Sai was telling about how we can build an organization for rural development. So, in fact, last time when I was here, I was talking on one of the projects which we launched as Go Valley. It is a Goshala, which we started in Dharmasthal. So this going in a different shape now. We are able to connect with a lot of farmers, a lot of agriculture people, and trying to develop, apart from just milk and butter, ghee, and all this, we are trying to produce a lot of products using the ecosystem, from gobar gas to using cow dung, a kind of lamps and agarbatti, doop sticks, and a lot of medicinal products. So these all products we are trying to sell through using e-commerce platforms. And also our idea is to connect with all the farmers across India to replicate this idea of this Goshala and adoption of a cow in different places, and involving the local farmers and local agriculture people. So that's how I think definitely the future is agriculture. Today we see the prices of tomato, how it is going every day than the share market. So I think in future, all these products, today in US, there is a lot of scarcity of getting rice. People are on queue to buy rice in Patel Brothers stores. Not only in US, in UK, in Singapore, wherever the Indian community is there. So every product, because if farming will not be in focus, then we will have a tough time in coming years. The prices escalation. The same way the prices of income of public